Hello everyone. So welcome to CAD Pro Max. So this is Suraj. So in the previous live session we have discussed about the main view and primary view. Now in this video we'll basically discuss about on a secondary view and some dimensioning of this component. Now how to give the dimension of the element. Now you can see I'm just deleting this details view. So what are the secondary view will come into view, and why you are using the secondary view. So secondary view is generally used to improve the clarity of the description of the part for better visualization. So if you want to see this one in a bigger form, so then you can go into this secondary view, and you have some secondary view like your details view, then clipping view, then broken view, then brokeout view, auxiliary view, broken view, brokeout view, then 3D clipping, auxiliary view, some auxiliary view also there. Sorry. Yes, auxiliary view, unfold view, 3D clipping view. So you will find some secondary view. So let's see for the first one is your details view. So details view is a call out view uh, on the existing view. So it is generally the functionality of it is a broken view, sorry, details view is to enlarge the view, selected view, and it will take a new view. Okay, you can see detail view is taking in the scale 2:1. Okay, now here are different types of details view is there. Details view with the view profile, quick details view, and quick details view of the from the profile. Okay, so you can go with this also. So next one is your clipping view. So it is the clipping view also like your details view, but in this case it won't create a new view. It will remove the existing view that lies outside of the callout view. So let I will just go with this clipping view, selecting this I1. Okay, so here this will remove the existing view that lies outside of the cloud. Okay, so here also you can find the different types of clipping view like clipping view from profile. I want to clip this next year. Whenever you will go for this clipping, this should be close. Okay, view from the profile. Now next one is broken view. So broken view, why you are using the broken view? Broken view will add a break line which is vertical or perpendicular. So I will go with this broken view. So it will, I want to show some broken element from there. And here, okay, it will add a broken view which is vertical or perpendicular also. Sorry, perpendicular or vertical also. Sorry, vertical and horizontal. So I will go with this. I want to broken view in horizontal mode. So I'm just going to this broken view in horizontal. Okay, you can see broken view is in horizontal. So you can define the broken view by using this break line. Okay, then breakout view. So breakout view is allowed to create a local cut in order to view the inside part of the without cutting completely. So here just going to this breakout view, I want to show the inside part without cutting the whole profile. You can see, find this. we'll find the inside part of the component or inside part of this, and here you can use the broke out view. Then here auxiliary view. So in an auxiliary view, the direction cannot be obtained with a standard view. Okay, so here just going to this auxiliary view, this one auxiliary view, the direction won't be come in a standard. It will take the angle or anything, an inclined surface. You can go with the auxiliary view. The next one is your unfold view. If you have any, see, this is your unfold view. So if you have any sheet metal part and you want to see that one in drawing, you can go with the unfold view. After unfolding, what will be the dimension, you can, if you want to calculate, then you can go with the unfold view for in 3D in CATIA. Then your 3D clipping view. So 3D clipping, here it is. The next one is your 3D clipping. So 3D clipping allow you to filter or cut the element from the existing projection view. So I'm just deleting this. This view also I want to delete. Okay, so here I want to cut this element from the existing preview. Apply, or else I'm just going to this projection view, going to the projection view. Okay, I want to cut this element. You can see I'm just deactivate this element and going to the 3D. I want to cut this element. You can see it's just cut from there. Okay, now here you can go with some wizard view. If you want to create the view from a wizard, like I want this is my bottom, front or left. Here you can go with this right, front up, or here you can go with all views like so. You can go with this. Okay, and go with the check finish, and it will directly go to the 3D. Go to the 3D, select the element, so it will automatically place whatever the view you want from you have selected in wizard view. So you can see automatic front view, right view, left view, top view, bottom view, isometric view. It's coming into the screen or into the drawing. Okay, now we'll go for the dimension. So here you can see this some default dimension is there. Let I will go with the simple dimension. Simple dimension is nothing but like this. Okay, I'm just giving the dimension. Okay, now this is what chain dimension. Chain dimension is like I will start from a reference line. First one, second one, first one, second one, third one, Fourth one, automatic, it will create without going for the different dimension. Okay, you can see I'm just selecting the edge, and you can go with this accumulator dimension. It will take a center point, like I will take this one, the center point, this line. I want to calculate this one, the first one, second one, then second one, third one. Sorry, not this one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So you can see from this center point to this line, it has dimension 10. From this center point to this one, it is 35, then 40, then 50. So in this way, you can give this dimension. Then is your static dimension, stack up. So here it will just check this first one, second one. So it will calculate from the this same thing, but same as your accumulator dimension, but it will give the dimension value separately. Okay, in a separate arrow. Then here we can go with a normal dimension or angle. Here you can go with the angle, first line, second line, and you can define the angle of this. And radius also, you can give the radius. If you want to give some radius value, you can go with this radius. I'm just a double click while going to this, so I'm going with this radius, and here it is diameter. Okay, now the next one is chamfer dimension. So chamfer dimension here, and I have done some chamfer here, so I will go with this dimension. Okay, I'll just go with this dimension. You can see the chamfer dimension is coming. So there are 8 chamfer in this one. So here you can give another dimension, or else you can go with, so if you want to give the dimension, only give the dimension. So what you need to do is just giving the only dimension. Okay, let incline dimension something is there. Okay, this dimension I want. You can give the dimension of this. Okay, so now here it is your thread dimension. If you have any thread component, you can go with the thread dimension of this. Okay, you can define the thread dimension. So as there is no thread, so we cannot define this thread. Let I will open one of the thread component. Okay, here I will apply some thread. Go to the part, tap on thread, this one. Limit face is up to this reverse direction. Thread depth up to this preview. Okay, okay, now I'll cut this drawing, just adding one of the sheet, going to the front view. It's coming, and I want to define the thread. So here what you need to do is you just go to this thread dimension. Okay, this thread dimension is not coming. Then coordinate dimension. So here if you have multiple number of point, let I will select this 2. If I want multiple number of point, here I am to just activating this one and going with this dimension coordinate. Okay, coordinate of this. For that we need a point for coordinate. Okay, you can see this is the point. If I will go with this okay, we'll create a point of this. Create a point. Okay, I'm creating the point and I want to define this point from here and go with this. You can see what is the dimension in x and x. This is how we will define the coordinate point. Then next one is your number of hole. So number of hole, 1. So reference axis is this one. I'm just selecting this reference 1. Deleting this. Okay, I'm just going to this. You can see this is my A reference. Okay, I'm gonna go with this second one. Click this. This is my okay, or else you can go with this. Go with this value. Click on this tool. First one. Create a representation of x at 0. Click OK. So you can go for this representation also. So here next one is your coordinate dimension table. So same, just coordinate dimension table. You can see you can go with this coordinate dimension table. A point, go with this number of point. Okay, you can go with this number of point. First point, second point, third point, fourth point. Click OK. Here you can go with this is coordinate dimension point also. Okay, now this is how we can define the dimension in CATIA web. Hope you got the concept of this. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.